maybe your bookings aren't pouring in anymore.
It's more like a slow trickle.
Listing on Airbnb only just doesn't seem to be cutting it anymore.
Are you starting to think maybe, I should be listing on other places, other platforms?
Maybe there's something to this whole building an email list thing people are talking about.
So sales are down. I need to improve my marketing. Yep, I guess I'm a business owner.
There's a market shift. Things are different than they were end of 2020, all of 2021 and 2022.
And hear us out. We just use the word shift, not crash or bust. It is a shift, it's a rebalance, and it is A-okay. Does that mean you might have to be creative and be a true business owner, not just someone that puts their place on Airbnb and lets it ride?
Well, here's how I look at it. When everyone is yinging, there's something to yanging and figuring out things for yourself and what works for you and your business and the guests you attract. So I am seeing this, and I'm trying to help my team see this as an opportunity for us to get re-engaged, to get creative, and to see how we can continue to not be a part of these statistics that everyone's talking about on social media and continue to thrive.
Rest assured, you are not alone. We are hearing every single day inside our membership, our YouTube subscribers. If you're not subscribed, come on, what are you doing? Our Instagram following. We know that people are feeling that they're not getting as many guest bookings, guest inquiries from Airbnb. But listen, the demand is there. The stats are showing the demand is actually increasing year over year, but also the competition is too, okay? So you've got to stand out. The next thing is we're hearing so much that people are thinking like, they want this one cure-all. What can I do to get more guest inquiries, get guest bookings? And listen, it's like drop the price. That's not the answer. Or they want that one-shot cure-all of how can I market? Is it having an influencer come stay? Is it listing on another platform? Is it a direct booking site? The bad news there is not one cure-all. We're gonna have to put some work in.
Here's what we do know. Demand is still there. People love having options of how to travel, how to stay in a place where they don't already live. So if bookings feel like they're down, if leads from guest inquiries feel like they're down, it's like Ross said, you just have to pivot, right? So how can you pivot? Well, you can start doing things that business owners have been doing for years and years, and it's never too late to start. So from your marketing to your pricing strategy to your systems that you have for your operations to make sure your guests are happy each and every time, this stuff matters more than ever. Okay, but what can we do? How do we pivot? What are some exact tactics that we can implement today? Well, here's what we're doing. We've always been championing of direct booking. Of course, we like leveraging other channels, but we've got 2 tips for you that are working really well for us in our business. The first one is the new Google Vacation Rentals. So people can, if you're part of the Google Vacation Rental program, which we've leveraged through our property management software, Hostfully, for free, when people Google, vacation rentals, Hocking Hills, Ohio, Google will serve up your listings and send people to your website for free. Why? Because there's ads surrounded all around that listing, your listing site, right? So Google's making its money. And they're offering up something that people who are searching for want to see and want to go to, just makes Google more trustworthy. So it's great for us because we don't have to pay a fee to Google. They're sending us right to our site, right to our direct booking site, which is already set up and ready to go.
The next thing you can do is network. Get in a community of other hosts, okay? Get out there. You need to be talking to other hosts. What are they doing? How are they solving these problems? We are business owners. There's never a bad day to become a good business owner. So here's some things. You might locally have a group that you can connect with. Shameless plug here. We have an online community that meets daily in our Facebook group. We have tons of online coaching, and we are hosting a live event, a short-term rental conference in the fall. You need to get around other hosts and learn what they're doing. Communicate with them, see their best practices. I guarantee you it will up-level your hosting.
It's taken me a while to shake up what's worked really well for me the past, 3-4 years. And I've been a stickler on short-term rentals. I want something less than 7 days. As a real estate investor, less than 7 days gives me more opportunity to save on my taxes and my tax strategy. But I'm also a co-host for other owners, and I am seeing the need for longer furnished stays continue to be strong. So we are pivoting some of our business to the midterm rental stays. Not all of it. I'm not here to tell you Thanks for Visiting is changing over to only midterm rental strategies, because I don't believe in that. I don't think that I'm not going to chase these different strategies, but I do think diversifying and being a solution for people out there who are looking for these types of stays is just a smart thing to do.